What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a really cool game, one that we can all play together if everyone wants to get involved. Now, before I get into it, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. We do it on this channel so we can get the coolest games, the coolest projects to you as fast as possible, hopefully make some money doing it. Now, let's get straight in. So here we have it, guys. It's monsterracingleague.com. The links will be down below. As always, use trusted links. So, quick overview of the website. We've got the overview, the monsters, breeding, tribes, light paper roadmap, team, and the links on the right. It will be more apparent as I talk through this. You can see already, just from the graphics, what kind of game this is going to be like. You're going to grab your friends, grab your family, and you're going to be playing this game together. And some pretty cool things will happen while you're doing it. So starting off, let's talk about the team. If you go through, what I really like about this is the team members all have their own photos on. So this is really them. You can see it. They're being transparent. We've got John O'Reilly, the founder, creative director. Go through these. Please research them. Do your own research and have a look. They all have really good experience in what this game needs and to make this game go further than just what it is now. Okay, we want this game to carry on. We want the vision of this project to carry on. So as it says on the left, their Flightless is an established award-winning game development company working across mobile, desktop and console titles. They're known for their RTS game element and the Apple Arcade title Doomsday Vault. If you haven't played Doomsday Vault, check that out as well. It's incredible. So this is the team. What I want to do is go down to the roadmap. You can see here Q2 2022, the website, the light paper, the mint and the marketplace. Quarter 3 is reveal for abilities, boosters, cosmetics and tracks. Game beta testing, game launch and breeding, and quarter 4 is where you have the seasonal tournaments, the special events. There's going to be new tracks, new abilities, new boosters, cosmetics, and much, much more. One of the biggest things from this roadmap, as you can see, the game launch, like I said, that's the bit everyone should be waiting for. That's what we should be getting excited for. That's when we can really get in and play this game. Looking at the mint, so what is it going to be contained in this mint? The container's minting on the 14th of June 2022. The price is to be announced. And as we go down, you can see we have the container mint. Containers are the key to everything you need to play the Monster Racing League. Now, the Origin Monster, all containers receive one Origin Monster, remember that, one. And a car with unique traits and rarity will be needed to play the game. Each monster comes with its own car, which you can change the appearance of using a vehicle cosmetic. That's a really cool gift that we get, that you can change. If you don't like the look of it, you can start changing it around. It suits you more. And the abilities. Player can equip 3 abilities before the race begins and use them as opportune moments during the race to disrupt opponents and give themselves an advantage in the race. All containers receive 1 to 2 tribe abilities. You can see them up here. So we've got Turbo, Missile, Shove, Storm. These are going to be really cool to mix around and see what the best method to win this game is. So the demo game is now live. What you have to do is click the Discord in the top right here or in the links below and get involved. You can actually play the demo and see what we're talking about. Scrolling back up to the top, this is what you're going to be playing, a bit of this. It's really, really cool. I've already had a go. Get in that Discord, tell them you're from our channel, give us a big boost. Now, something super cool I'm going to show you is we actually have some of the monsters. Okay, this is one of them, the Fire Tribe. You can see a little bit about it from the Volcanic Wastelands. This fiercely competitive tribe is known for their appetite for destruction and barbecue sauce. Really cool twist on these monsters. Going through them, I'm not going to go through them all, but just to give you a little sneak peek image here, I'm going to skip through. Here's another one from the Mountain Tribe. Super, super cool. Again, read about them. Another one from the Mountain Tribe. I like this one. He's got like half a broken horn. He's obviously been racing real hard. We have the River Tribe. Super cool. If you know me, I'm a scuba diver. I love everything to do with the ocean. So Water Tribe, River Tribe is my thing. The Sky Tribe, looking like these monstrous angels, coming from the mysterious origins, possibly another realm. This tribe is known for its ability to control the weather, so they're routinely blamed whenever it rains. Looking over on their Twitter now, it is at MRL_game. Again, the links will be down below as always. They have their Discord link, their Linktree link on there, and their website. They have 10,000 followers. It's actually 10,011. They're only following free, that's great. And you can see they put some demo versions of what's going on. Again, the demo is live. Get in the Discord. They've got some videos on how you can see it. They get some breaking news tweets. I love everything about their Twitter. It's really fun. It's really engaging. Get on there again. Say you're from our channel. Give some tweets. Give some likes. And definitely give a follow. So guys, there you have it. Let me know what you think. And a big thank you to everyone that's been liking, commenting, subscribing. If you haven't already and you're watching this, click the subscribe button. hit the like button, hit the little bell as well, and please leave a comment. Let me know if it was good. Let me know if you like this, if you're gonna play it. If it's not for you, that's absolutely fine. Let's get the community together playing this game. Give a shout out from the channel when you get in that Discord and play the demo. From me, have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.